Go.
Our judges. Today we will be discussing about our research entitled Reducing the Microplastic Footprint with SPF or Solar Powered Filters. I am Jasmine Ann Basilan. I am Princess Eliza Armandela.
I am Franciscan Pavilanes.
For our summary, Philippines faces microplastic pollution which harms aquatic life and water quality. To address this issue, we created a solar-powered filtration that removes microplastics and utilizes solar energy fossil fuels. It also uses photocatalytic method that enhances purification. For the background problem, microplastics have been considered as a serious pollutant as affected the environment over decades. Microplastics are fragments less than 5 mm in length, have been getting increased attention because of the serious threat that poses to human life and environment.
Now, let's move on to beneficiaries. These are our beneficiaries, and they are the fishermen, consumers, marine biologists, the seafood industry, and the marine life. Proposed solution. Solar-powered filtration system efficiently removes various microplastic using advanced membrane technology with ultra-fine force. Solar energy powers the system, reducing fossil fuel use and lowering the carbon footprint. Photocatalytic processes enhances purification by breaking down harmful pollutants and minimizing chemical use. Method details of the proposed solution: membrane filtration, solar energy utilization, photocatalytic processes, and chemical evaporation.
And this is a summary for our post-analysis. Finally, illustrations, which are the input, process, and output. The input, which is the sunlight and water, process, collection of solar energy, and output, clean water.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you.